Before we start the video, I want to officially thank everyone for the 300 followers that I got on Instagram. I appreciate it so much. Hey everyone, this is Tony Nicole welcoming you to the red carpet. It's been a minute since I posted. I've been crazy busy, but I put together this little tumbler for our dolls and I wanted to show you how I made it. Hope you enjoy the video. These are the materials that we'll be needing to do this project, and for this project we'll be using the open flame with a lighter, so of course you have to be extremely careful with that because we don't want anybody burning themselves or their house. So because I like to recycle and stuff, I always keep lots of bottles and bottle caps and everything like that. So for this tumbler, we'll be using the pump from a bottle, removing the little straw, and we're going to break this apart. And it was actually quite difficult getting the pieces removed. I had to use the pliers, kind of help me pull it apart. It has a spring in the middle. That's a lot of work, but once I got it all unassembled, this is what we'll be working with, and I'm putting it up against our dowel so we can kind of see how it looks to scale. So I'm going to start removing the top and the bottom, and I'm heating up my X-Acto knife. We're going to get it super hot to try to cut through the plastic. And again, you need to use extreme caution with the open flame. So the heated razor, it is cutting a little bit, but not like I needed it to. This is taking a really long time to get the cuts that I needed. So I was very impatient and I just decided to light it on fire. And I burned it in like literally just for a few seconds. I extinguished the fire and it made the plastic really soft, and I actually just wound up cutting it with scissors. There's a little burn mark. You gotta be super careful. Now guys, I'm not telling you to light stuff on fire, but just be super careful if you wanted to try something like this. I'm going to file it with a nail file, nice and smooth. And I want it smooth enough so that it could balance when I try to stand it up. So I'm using a ruler to use that as a guide to where I want to cut it at the top. And I carefully used an ink pen to kind of draw where I wanted to make the cut. You see the little line that I used. And then again, we're going to light up the X-Acto knife and try to cut through the plastic. Now the top portion of this plastic is a lot thinner, so it cut through really easily. I had to heat up a second time to get the other half. So the hot blade worked at the top but not at the bottom. So I just snapped it off, and then again I'll be using a nail file to get everything nice and smooth and even. And I also use my scissors to trim it. Like I said, the top part is a lot thinner. That plastic is a lot easier to manipulate. Well, looks good to me. The next step we want to do is kind of close the opening at the bottom. So we'll just apply a little hot glue to wax paper and just lay the cup inside the glue. You're going to give it enough time to cool. Don't rush it. And then you just peel it off. And it closes up that hole that was in the bottom. Our cup is made. Now we're going to make the lid really quick and easy by just pressing into some craft foam and cutting it out. Hot gluing the lid to our tumbler. Of course, always being careful with our hot glue gun. For the straw, we're just going to open up a coated paper clip. Carefully score the coating. Use a push pin to put a hole in our lid and insert the straw. I want to add a decal, and since we just got finished with October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I looked in the sales ad, I found this little logo, and we're going to apply it to our tumbler with a little bit of clear tape. And here it is. Now our doll has a tumbler in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and it's really, really cute. I like it a lot. So I wanted to keep making some more. So here I used a clear pump. I think it was from some lotion. I'm going to clean it out because it has a lot of the shavings from filing it down. I cut out a logo from a sales ad. And I wanted to actually try to put some liquid inside and see if it would be a big disaster or if it would work. So I colored some water with a marker. I rubbed the marker into the little cup, add a little bit of water, and we're going to pour it inside and glue on the cap. And it's in there. I haven't had any spills or anything like that, so I was really happy about that. So I decided to do a third tumbler, and for this one, we're just going to use a little decorative washi tape. Nice little green glitter. We're going to carefully add it to the cup. Super cute. I love glitter. And then we're going to add our little lid and glue that on there. And here we are. So I have 3 tumblers, each made with the pump from a bottle. So it's super cute. I like it a lot. I know I always say this, you know, sometimes crafting is hit or miss, but this was cute. I like when I have a thought, an idea, and the vision comes to pass. So this is what I was thinking. This is what I was planning, and it turned out great. If you guys have any ideas how to do this differently, please let me know. Drop down in the comments. You know I love to hear from you. I always appreciate you for watching. Hit me up, hit me up, hit me up. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. You guys are so awesome. I love your comments. And for leaving comment on a previous video, we're going to officially welcome Jory Jones to the red carpet. Thank you so much, Jory, and welcome to the red carpet. If you want to welcome, all you have to do is leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you at the next video, and remember, it's more fun to make it.